Hello, and thank you for calling 24/7 Roofing. I'm Sarah, your AI voice assistant. You can speak to me just like you would my human owners. How can I help you today?
Hi there, I'd like to book an appointment in for someone to see my roof, please.
Of course. Could you please provide me with your location and any specific details about the roof issue?
Sure, so I live in Brighton in the UK and my address is number 5 ABC Avenue in Brighton, and the roof needs replacing. It's leaks all over it, and it just needs, we need a new quote for a complete refurbishment and replacement.
Got it. A complete roof replacement due to leaks. I'll make sure someone from 24/7 Roofing gets in touch with you soon to provide a quote and schedule the appointment. That wraps up the demo. Normally we'd end by pushing them to book in a call with one of our specialists to get a quote or whatever your business end goal is. How do you feel about how I handled that scenario?
Yeah, it's quite good, although can you confirm the email address, or what does that normally look like?
In a real scenario, I would ask for the customer's email address to send them a confirmation and any additional details. Would you like to see how that part works?
Yeah, please, let's do that.
All right. Could you please provide your email address so I can confirm it for you?
It's dan@flexdigital.com.
Just to make sure I've got it right, your email address is dan@flexdigital.com. Is that correct?
No, it's a double X.
Got it. Just to confirm, your email is dan@flexdigital.com. Is that right?
Perfect.
Great. Do you have any questions about how this could work for your business or the benefits of our service?
Yeah, sure. This sounds awesome. I'd love to have it in my roofing business. How much does it cost?
Our service includes a one-time customization fee of $1,500 and $597 per month for ongoing optimization and support. Would you like to schedule a Zoom call with Dan to explore this further, or are you ready to get started?
Yeah, I think a Zoom call with Dan would be much appreciated. What time is he free?
Great choice. Could you please confirm your email address again so I can send you the calendar link for scheduling?
dan@flexdigital.com with double X.
I'll just send you over our calendar link so you can pick a time that's good for you. I've sent you the calendar link to schedule a Zoom call with Dan. Keep an eye on your inbox. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, we're all good. Thanks very much. I mean, wow. If you think this is cool, right, and you're a marketer probably watching this, if you think this is cool, imagine what someone who's never even thought about having AI in their business or doesn't even know voice AI exists, for them to demo something like that for their business. It's going to absolutely blow them away, because I've been saying for a while now that AI is needed in all businesses. Like, that's eventually where it's going to go. But the problem is, because things are so new, people don't know what they need, and they certainly don't know how to implement it. And they also don't know how much it's going to cost, and they don't know who is going to do this for them, right? So right now we're at a really special time in history, the AI revolution, where people like you and me, who are like small business owners, are able to be the conduit between AI and business owners, right? And it's as simple as that, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you the number that I just called. We've got one for the UK and the US. If you're outside of those countries, sorry, we can't do much about that. Maybe just suck up the international call costs or whatever. And have a demo, put in any business that you want. Just pause the video now, come back in a sec. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the demo. I hope you gave it a whirl, and I hope it worked for you. I mean, the one thing is that this is like a demo, right? So it's not perfect for every single industry, and it doesn't work 100% of the time every time, because we've tried to build this across all industries, right? And we've tried to capture every single situation and scenario, which is kind of impossible. So, a little tip for if you are trying to sell voice AI and you are giving a demo is that you need to make it clear that this can be customized for them, okay? Otherwise, they're gonna say this doesn't work or whatever, right? So that's just a little tip. Okay, so Some of you will have experienced voice AI and this is not new to you. Hopefully what is new to you though is this any niche voice AI system that we've built that can be sold to can be sent to any client is new, okay? And it's going to be a game changer for you, because before you'd have to build one AI solution for one industry and then another for another industry, then another for another industry, and it would take you forever, especially when you've got, like hundreds of clients you want to reach out to, or lots of business owners. It's just not sustainable, okay? So what we do now, what I do if I want to sell this is I go through my WhatsApp list or my phone contacts, and I find any single business owner that's in there, right? And it doesn't matter if it's a friend, a family member, a cousin, a dude I know from basketball, a guy I met down at the pub or whatever. If they're a business owner, I want to get this in front of them. As I was saying before, this is your chance to get AI in front of business owners for the first time. They're never going to forget this moment, all right? So it's a big opportunity for you. For those of you who are experiencing this for the first time, okay, the way that we build this is using software called High Level, right? And there's a description link below which will give everything you need step by step to do it, okay? If you sign up and get going through a link of mine, you get a 30-day free trial, okay? You don't pay a penny, and you can run with this and have everything set up and going by the end of today if you are that hungry, okay? So what we've got is description below this video, which will take you step by step how to sign up to the account, how to get going. It's going to give you the prompt. It's going to give you everything you need. And there's also a Google Doc with step by step. The way that we've tried to do this, it's like an idiot's guide, right? I'm not saying my 10-year-old son's an idiot, but we want to create something that we could give him and he can go and build it himself, okay? It's for complete newbies and beginners. And some of you are going to need support, right? Which is why I've got a free group. It's called the AAA Ninjas, the AI Automation Ninjas. It's over on school.com. There's a link below in the description box as well. So once you get going and once you get started, if you have any support problems or questions or anything like that, please do head over to the group. We'll be there to hold your hand and really give you as much advice and support as you need, okay? And what I want you to experience after you've signed up and gone through, I want you to go through your contacts on your phone, find a business owner and just say, hey, dude, you got to check this out. This is voice AI, and I want you to experience this. Give it a whirl, right? And then you can drop the phone number, and then you'll be blowing them away, and you'll be having them come to you and saying, can I please have this? Okay. So just get started. Okay. This is a huge opportunity. All right. If you are someone that's been struggling with, running an agency in SMMA, you've been trying to do side hustles, you've got advertising accounts, you do lead gen, you've been trying all of these services, you're a copywriter, you do landing pages, you're a graphic designer, all of that stuff, right, is great. But now it's got you to a point where you can do something that's going to, vastly change the way that you operate. Okay, this is AI. And it's sweeping the world, and you want to be on the forefront of it. You want to educate yourself and you want to start getting involved in this, okay? It's a really big opportunity. And as I said before, everything that you've got below in the description link is free for 30 days, okay? It's not going to cost you anything to get up and going. And if you haven't landed a client by then, there's something wrong, because every business needs AI right now, and voice AI is one of the best ways to get your foot in the door. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Please do. I'm going to put those numbers up again on the screen now. I'm going to get my videographer to do it. And if you haven't called that number and given it a go, then please do, because it's going to blow you away. And you know what you're searching about AI. You understand AI, right? But business owners don't. Okay, it's a big, big opportunity for you. I keep on drumming this home. Please give it a go. Please get started. You're going to be blown away with the results. I'll speak to you soon.